In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D pie chart in Excel. This powerful visualization tool allows you to clearly represent proportions and the contribution of individual categories to a total sum. We'll walk through the entire process together, making it simple to transform your raw data into an impactful and visually engaging 3D chart. For your 3D pie chart, the very first thing you need to do is prepare and select your data. This is crucial because Excel uses the highlighted information to generate your visual representation. You'll want to highlight the entire range of cells that contains both your category labels, for instance, product names, departments, or regions, and their corresponding numerical values, such as sales figures, expenses, or percentages. Make sure you select both columns or rows consistently. For example, if you have product categories in column A and their sales in column B, you would highlight both columns A and B, including all the relevant data rows. It's important to only select the data you want to include in your chart, excluding any total rows or unrelated information, to ensure an accurate and clean visualization. Once your data is perfectly highlighted, you're ready for the next step. With your data range carefully selected, your next action is to navigate to Excel's main menu ribbon at the top of your screen. Look for the Insert tab, which is typically located right next to the Home tab, and before Page Layout. The Insert tab is your gateway to adding various elements to your spreadsheet, including tables, pictures, shapes, and of course, all kinds of charts. Simply click on the Insert tab to open up a new set of tools and options. This action will reveal the different groups of insertion tools available to you, and we're specifically interested in the Charts group for our task. Take a moment to ensure you've clicked the correct tab, as this will lead us directly to the pie chart options we need to proceed. Now that you're in the Insert tab, direct your attention to the Charts group within the ribbon. Here you'll find a variety of chart icons. We're looking for the pie chart icon. It typically looks like a circle divided into several slices, visually representing its function. Clicking this icon won't immediately create a chart, but rather it will present you with a drop-down menu or a gallery of different pie chart styles. This includes options like 2D pie, donut, and of course our desired 3D pie. This step is about identifying the general category of chart you want to create, giving you the flexibility to choose the specific subtype in the next stage. Carefully locate and click on the pie chart button to reveal these choices. After clicking the general pie chart icon, a sub-menu or gallery will have appeared, showcasing various pie chart options. From this selection, you need to specifically choose the 3D pie chart. You'll notice it has a distinct appearance, offering depth and perspective compared to its flatter 2D counterparts. Selecting this option will instantly generate the 3D pie chart on your Excel worksheet, utilizing the data you highlighted earlier. While the 3D effect can add a visually appealing and dynamic look, making your presentation stand out, remember to use it thoughtfully. Once the chart appears, you can further customize it by adjusting colors, adding data labels, changing the chart title, or even rotating its perspective to highlight specific slices. And just like that, you've successfully created a 3D pie chart in Excel, ready for analysis and presentation.